Hello, welcome to my video. We have an example of some engineering dot right here. So if you see this roof structure, it's built of steel sections, and if you look at this beam here, it's not resting on anything, but it's connected to the underneath of the steel trusses, and other than help to keep it aligned, it looks counterintuitive to me. It looks like it's pulling down on the structure rather than helping. Recently I made an article about lintel design, how lintels fit in buildings, and we have a really good example right here. That right there is a hollow section. So it's all steel on the outside, looks like it's powder coated, and it's hollow all on the inside. And I could guess the thickness is probably 12 mil, but maybe it's bigger than that. And we have another example right here. See how the steel beam sits there, and it has this whole structure resting on it. So from this side it's good, but from that side it's not even resting on anything. There should be a column here or a beam going across, but obviously cars need to come in through here or something to go into that. Yeah, there should be a beam going across here so that this can rest on it, because this is just connected to the bottom here and it's pulling down. That's just my opinion.